Good morning, students. I'm your English teacher in Vittal Matriculation School. Today, Monday. Hope you're all doing well, right? Yes. Okay, students, last class, what we have seen? Are you all remember? Yes. In last class, we have seen the alphabetic letters. Okay, today we will continue this. Okay, students, let me recall. Yes. A. Capital letter A and small letter A. You know, right? Yes. A. A for apple. A for apple. A for ant. A for arrow. A for aeroplane. A for apple. A for ant. A for arrow. And A for aeroplane. Next, B. B for ball. B for ball. B for ball. Bat. B for boat. B for balloon. B for ball. B for bat. B for boat. B for balloon. Yes. And next, C. Next one is C. C for cat. C for cat. C for cat. C for cup. C for cake. C for computer. C for cup. C for cake. C for computer. Next alphabetic letter is D. D for dog. D for dog. D for duck. D for duck. D for drum. D for drum. D for dinosaur. D for dinosaur. And next alphabetic letter is E. E. E for elephant. E for elephant. E for eye. E for egg. E for engine. E for elephant. E for eye. E for egg. E for engine. F. F for fish. F for fish. F for fan. F for fan. F for flag. F for flag. F for frog. F for frog. F for fish. F for fan. F for flag. F for frog. And next alphabetic letter is G. G. G for grapes. G for grapes. G for goat. G for goat. G for gun. G for gun. G for giraffe. G for giraffe. G for grapes. G for goat. G for gun. G for giraffe. And next alphabetic letter is H. H. H for hen. H for hen. H for hat. H for hat. H for horse. H for horse. H for house. H for hen. H for hat. H for hearts. H for house. And next, I. See this picture? That's ice cream, right? Students, do you all like it, right? Yes. I. Next alphabetic letter is I. Capital letter I and small letter I. I for ice cream. I for ice cream. ICECREAM. Ice cream. I for ice cream. I for ink pot. I for ink pot. INKPOT. I for ink pot. I for iron box. Iron box. IRON. And box. 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 Next, I for India. This is our India map. Okay, students? I for India. 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 Ink pot. INKPOT. Ink pot. I for ice cream. I for ink pot. I for iron box. I for India. Next alphabetic letter is J. J. Capital letter J and small letter J. J for joker. 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 J for jet. 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 J for jug. 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 J for jug. J for jeep. 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 J for jeep. Jet. Jug. Jeep. J for joker. J for jet. J for jug. J for jeep. And next, K. Capital letter K and small letter K. What it is, students? You already know, right? This is kite. 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 K for key. 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 K for key. 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 K for king. 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 K for kangaroo. 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 K for kite. 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 K for key. K for king. K for kangaroo. And then L. Capital letter L and small letter L. L for line. Lion. Line. Lion. Line. L for lamp. 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 Leaf. 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 Lotus. 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 L for lotus. L for lotus. L for line. L for line. L for lamp. L for lamp. L for leaf. L for leaf. L for lotus. L for lotus. Okay students, let me recall. Before that, we have to circle the capital letter I and small letter I, right? Circle the capital I's and small i's. First, here see small letter I. T, Z, capital letter I and small letter I. E, A, capital letter I. R, I, small letter I and P. And then J. J we have to circle R, capital letter J. J, E, H, J, small letter J. W, J, capital letter J. And Q, J, small letter J. And J, capital letter J. And E. And then K. K, capital letter K. C and small letter K. T, small letter K and capital letter K. O, W, K, capital letter K and P. Next, L. M, capital letter L. E, small letter L. J, capital letter L. I, small letter L and capital letter L. O, A. Okay students, let me recall today's session. I for ice cream. I for ink pot. I for iron box. I for India. Next, J. J. J for joker. J for jet. J for jack. J for jeep. J. Next, K. K for kite. K for key. K for king. K for kangaroo. K, L. L for line. L for lamp. L for leaf. L for lotus. Okay students, let me recall from the beginning. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, I, J, I, J. K, L, K, L, K, L. Okay, students, you have to read it again and again. You have to understand and memorize the alphabetic letters from A to L. Okay, students, let me continue in next class. Thank you, students. Have a great day. Thank you.